The moment you've been waiting for. Milwaukee Tool new M12 75-foot drain camera PACKOUT edition. Yes, this bad boy is PACKOUT. Model number 3154-20. Let's get this baby cracked open. So the camera monitor folds and it doesn't rotate to the right. You have to rotate it the opposite way to get to that direction. But it's small, it's nice. Now this camera head is pretty small. I believe it's 18.5 millimeters. Now, this isn't the smallest camera head that they make. We will see in this video a comparison between the smallest that I believe they do make in a camera inspection reel. But it's a good size, I think. Now on this side is where they have the battery. Packaging is some maintenance tools. And then up here at the tape, we have the skids. Now the skids go on the camera head. That'll help lift it up off the ground. Comes with 2 of them. Also comes with a USB and an SD card. So you can record and save all your information as you're recording. Now you gotta choose your language. You gotta choose your region. And then you gotta set your time and date. So the camera quality is pretty good. It's obviously not as high quality as the other monitors, but it's pretty good. So you can see, you can record, take a photo, and reset the reel distance. Here we have feet per meters, all the settings that you can go through and update or change. There's also software updates. It'll tell you how to update it through there. Now let's compare. This is the new 65-foot camera inspection. You can see that this camera head is smaller. It's smaller in diameter. I don't know if the video is really doing it justice, but there is a difference. Let's go to the real job site. So we're here at this commercial space where I do monthly inspections to ensure everything is running smoothly. And I thought I'd bring the PACKOUT camera and give it a test to see how well it measures up to a bigger, tough drain. So at this commercial space, they do have cast iron. It's a little bit rough. It is old, and it struggles even with the larger reel at a certain point. Now, I was able to get it in. I was able to inch it through the drain, but I don't think that this camera is obviously going to excel in this specific environment or application. I think this will really excel in residential, especially if you have PVC ABS drains, because partly why it is a little bit more difficult in these type of applications is the thickness of the reel. You know, it has to be super thin and flexible in order to get 75 feet of cable into the pack out. But the downside to that is it's not as stiff, and it's a lot harder to make more bends, and then the drain isn't smooth, it's got friction. So I think where this really excels is going to be for quick diagnostics in short runs for residential, maybe where the drains are a little bit smaller in diameter and a little bit more smoother. You can see you can move, you can zoom in order to check something out a little bit more intensely, see if it's a crack or try to get a better visual on what it is. You could also rotate. This camera head does not self-level, so you have to rotate the screen in order to make it level or right side up. Also note that this PACKOUT camera does not have sonde, so you cannot locate the broken area if you find a break or a problem area. Now, because of this, I do think that this is the perfect add-on if you already have a camera system set up, if you are a drain cleaner. This is not the first camera I would buy. I would buy a camera that has the ability to locate. But if you're just trying to get into the space, you're not really worried about locating, you just want to inspect, then this is a great entry level for you to get into, to just simply inspect it. And if you do have a small camera and a large camera and you're doing a lot of drains, this is something that would be great to add to your system, because it would be super simple to pull it off the truck, throw it in a drain, and get a quick visual, and then from there determine if you need a bigger camera or not to locate.